Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some exciting news for you guys. So, most of you guys love free stuff, at the same time you love high quality characters that you would love to tell your stories with. And it is very interesting to see that today we are getting all of that totally for free. And how you can get this is very simple. This is actually for askNK subscribers, so just in case you would like to get more of this, you need to subscribe and follow up on the channel because there is more coming. So, before we get into how you can grab all of these and take advantage of the brand new version of ActorCore that is currently available, it's worth knowing that ActorCore is an amazing motion capture and also 3D character platform. The goal from the folks at Revolution is to make ActorCore the largest collection of digital characters, and at the same time they're looking towards making the library one of the most captivating character library with facial and full body motion. At the time of recording, there is 145 characters that you can get, and the folks at Revolution are currently working to get that up to 1,000. Now 1,000 is for the characters, and they are looking at making 3,000 motions, and all of these would also have individual packs. So just in case you're looking for any kind of motion, you should be likely to find it right here. Now if you've taken a look at other platforms that offer 3D motions and also characters, and you would notice that 99% of them do not offer hand gestures, and that is actually one of the things that makes ActorCore stand out. Along with this, the characters that they're creating right now, which is currently available that you can pick and work with, also comes with full facial performance, and this can be used for both games, televisions, and also for your animation. Another very cool improvement that is available with ActorCore and the characters that you can get with them is the character color variation. So in most cases, you might want to create variations of a given character, and you might just end up trying to tweak these things, push some buttons and make them work, but that is not the case. The folks at Revolution have actually worked on the characters, and right now, characters from ActorCore now come with certain masks. Now with the mask, you can create unlimited color and material variations for your character. With high performance and visual fidelity, you can actually tweak any of these characters and push them to the limit that you want. The characters that you'll be getting come with masks, and these masks are RGB masks which can be used to tweak the skin, the hair color, and also the props. And in terms of transitioning, there's actually a very smooth transitioning that can occur between the hair and also the hairline. And in this case, if you're also thinking about changing the color of the model, you can easily transition this however you want. It also makes sense to note that the folks at Revolution are working extremely hard to make sure that the characters you'll be getting from ActorCore can be used independent of their own pipeline set of tools. So just in case you don't have iClone to tweak these things and do some very amazing things with it, you can also go ahead and download the Substance Player, which you can use to tweak your characters and spit out as much character variations as you want. This encourages for flexibility of how you get to work with these characters, and for those thinking about creating facial animations on this model, yes, you can also do that. As much as these characters are game ready and also animation ready, you can choose to use iClone and save the iTalk file and apply this to your characters and also export this to any platform of choice, or you can simply use any facial animation tool out there and drive the facial performance of your characters. Currently, the folks at Revolution are looking for Blender developers to come through and develop some pipeline tools for both iClone, Character Creator, and also ActorCore. And for sure, they're currently working with a couple of developers to create an amazing pipeline that would allow you to ship your motions from ActorCore into Blender. Now, this is definitely going to be a whole new way that you can work with motions. Now, if you're working with any other tool and you're wondering, how do I get into this? There is actually a tutorial page that covers every single thing you need to know with working with ActorCore alongside all of the tools that you probably love and would like to work with. So from Blender to 3D Studio Max, Maya, Unreal Engine, and also Unity, there is a whole lot of free learning waiting for you. And as we speak about free stuff, let's talk about the free things you will be getting this week and also a couple of days to come. So I'm gonna put when this is gonna be expiring in the description, so do well to check it out. For this period, you will be getting some amazing things. The very first set of things you'll be getting is the characters. There's a 3D themed actor and people characters, and this contains 6 fully rigged characters with facial rigs as well. So with this, you can start doing some amazing and beautiful things, and this is currently valued at $180 US. The second thing you will be getting this time is the Spunky Moves. Spunky Moves is a beautiful, well-themed motion pack, and it comes with animated young characters that simply completes the entire behavior of how young people get to behave. So if you're looking for some very impressive moves that include attitude, gossip, chat, jokes, and also jamming to songs and all that stuff, you can grab these things right now. All of these motions are fully packed and they have a natural blend in between them. So you can simply blend from walking all the way to gossip, to sitting down, to chatting, and also doing some random stuff that the spunky folks would like to do. So just in case you like to get this, this is currently valued at $200 and you are getting a value stuff of $380 and it is impressive. So for you to get this, follow the link in the description that will bring you right here where you can actually sign up and you'll get a notification. Once you get that notification from your email, go over to the sign in section, click on sign in, and it'll bring you right over to this page where you can now simply download these things however you want. So if you like to see the team character or you like to see the spunky moves, you can simply click on either of them and you'll be able to download the full pack right here. And that is all you have to do to get these things going. A huge shout out to the folks at Revolution for making this possible, and of course if you like to grab this, I would strongly suggest you subscribe to the channel and also use the link in the description and you can download this. You're under no obligation, and the only thing you have to do is to sign up and download this, and every single month we will be getting more of these, and hopefully if you subscribed you would get notified once this is available. So if you want to grab this right now, go ahead and grab it and start doing some amazing stuff with it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you like something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.